Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. If you're interested in finding a platform to create excellent business strategies for your company, as well as show precise details on all necessary data to make your plan a reality, you will love what we will show you next. In today's video, we will talk about Mockups, a cloud-based visual collaboration platform designed to help companies build websites and mobile apps. But before we go any further, don't forget that softwaretrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Mockups. Mockups is a visual collaboration tool that helps you create visual products for various purposes, including whiteboards, design components, and diagrams. It also allows firms to plan, collaborate, improve project management, streamline operations, and track progress. Mockups can help many types of organizations working on complex projects. Mockups alignment tools allow users to perform numerous activities. In addition, its template kits let users combine items from the built-in library, including icons, fonts, shapes, and widgets, to create unique designs. You can use one of Mockup's business strategy templates to present your company's strategy. In addition, the platform focuses on helping users update their spreadsheets presentations and organize and visualize data better. Mockups templates are tailored to your needs, and each one includes a short instruction explaining why and how to utilize it. Besides, you can use a business model canvas template to display your company's business plan. You will be able to develop and organize your business goals much easier when you can openly display your product or services fundamentals. Using product roadmaps to plan for business goals is one of the most efficient methods. These maps show the path your product should take and the work required to get there. Mockup's release roadmap template, for example, shows the steps and actions needed to launch a new product or service. This way, the entire project team is on the same page. If you like what you hear about Mockups, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now, let's continue with Mockups. You can use the Mockups Gantt chart template to plan and schedule upcoming projects. This template is for corporate members who have a strategic position and want to get the most out of it. Gantt charts also show what needs to be done and when. A bar chart shows actions over time. A bar chart represents an activity with start and end dates and length. The template features components that are specific to Gantt charts. The top of the page shows dates in months and weeks. Stage fields are placed in columns on the left. Under each step, you can categorize your tasks. Each task is represented by a bar chart, allowing you to view its duration and start and end dates quickly. You can build a timeline for each phase by selecting its period and entering the start and end dates. You can use this Mockup's Gantt chart template to stay organized. It's easier to achieve goals when everyone's tasks are coordinated and can see the bigger picture. Empathy maps help firms better understand their customers by revealing relevant behavioral patterns. For example, users' emotional intelligence reveals behavioral patterns and attitudes that enable firms to adjust their goods to consumer desires. Early in the design process, teams should employ customer empathy maps to enter consumers' minds and experience the world through their eyes. That's a good idea to do it before proposing any solutions to clients. You can use the Mockups Empathy Map template's sticky notes, drawing tools, comments, and annotations throughout the process. Using an online collaboration platform, all team members can participate in the empathy mapping session in real time, eliminating the requirement for everyone to be there simultaneously. Instead, everyone stays focused on the consumer by combining personas with business principles. It also allows users to combine the empathy map with other templates to help businesses construct personas and streamline customer knowledge. The user mapping method relies heavily on user stories. Such stories help bridge the gap between user needs and business values, assisting in creating products that consumers like by explicitly laying out all of the tasks that must be accomplished first. Each user narrative should follow a common user story framework to ensure that businesses get the most out of this process. In addition, each narrative should refer to a minor aim so that when they are all added together, they build a complete image. User story mapping has several advantages, which you will see firsthand during this process. Here's what you may anticipate. First, prioritizing new product feature releases based on user needs rather than nice-to-have additions strengthens customer connections and ensures retention. Second, viewing each user story framed inside an extensive product roadmap is a fantastic tool for determining which projects need to be worked on right now and which ones can be postponed. Third, writing user stories can be challenging at times. When this happens, it's a good idea to sketch out your product's user path. Fourth, prioritizing initiatives based on immediate user benefit will allow you to understand better what customers desire. In exchange, customers will be pleased with the product, and you will receive favorable comments from all quarters. Finally, as a central organizational element, user story mapping takes advantage of team participation. If you like what you heard about Mockups, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our social media channels. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.